One letter, 6 different sounds? Yes, the letter O is full of surprises. Let's learn them in 6 minutes. Variant 1. The short sound ah, like in bought. When O is between consonants, it is usually a short sound, ah. Try these. Bought, blog, shock. Variant 2. The sound ow, like in bounty. O plus U often makes ow. Read with me. Bounty, discount, mouse. Wow, look here. The same sound ow can have a different spelling, like in wow. O and W usually make ow. Examples: wow, browser, clown. Variant 3. The long sound O, like in Coke. The magic E makes O long. Coke, not cock. Examples: Coke, code, nose. Another spelling of the sound is O plus W. At the end of a word, it is often O, like in window. Say with me: window, show, follow. We've come to sound number 4. The sound is oo, like in Google. O plus O often makes oo. For example, Google, tattoo, school. Do you remember bounty? Their O plus U make ow sound. But in the word group, it makes oo sound, like in Google. It is because of the letter P that stands next to the OU. When you see this pattern, OU plus P, read it as oo. Repeat, please. Group, soup, coupon. Some words you just memorize. You and YouTube. There's no rule or pattern. Sorry, it is English. Variant 5 is OR sound. When O meets R, everything changes. R is a boss. It controls the vowels. The sound becomes OR, like in sport. Not spart, but sport. OR. Try to read the examples. Sport, shorts, popcorn. The same situation is with OU. R controls them too. In the word course, O plus U plus R make OR. Let's count how many sounds we've learned. 1, a as in bot. 2, a sound ow. Bounty, wow. Clown. 3, O. Coke, window. 4, oo, as in Google, group, YouTube. 5, or, sport, course. So, 5. But the lesson is called 6 sounds of O. So, where is the 6th? Oh, here it is. Variant 6 is special. It is the sound. Sometimes the letter O becomes a quiet This happens in many longer words, especially at the end. For example, doctor. Listen. Doctor, not doctor. The last O is very soft. Look at these examples and try to repeat. Doctor, donor, sponsor, motor.
But wait, why does doctor have the ah sound, like in bot, but donor has the o sound, like in Coke?
To answer this question, we need a knife. Let's cut these words into 2 parts. Syllables. First, find the vowels, then cut in the middle. Now we have doc and tor, do and nor. Doc, tor. The first part ends with a consonant. It's closed, so O is short, ah sound. Doctor, like in a word, bot. Do, nor. The first part ends with a vowel. It's open, so O is long, like in Coke. Donor. Let's see what you remember. Can you read the words? The answers: box, code, stop, zone, rose, cop, blog, zoo, tattoo, tour, soup, house, account, browser, follow.